Hey everybody, Dr. Emil Faith here with the Sensitive Files. Guess what? You are an ultra-sensitive and an empathic person, which means you feel everything and you can feel it deeply. It's who you are, but being an ultra-sensitive comes at a price, as you've probably already figured out. We get overwhelmed and fatigued by all of those energies we come into contact with all day, including and especially the energy of all those people out there. Because of our special genetic coding and our high vibrational makeup, we ultrasensitives burn through our nutrients very quickly. And that, of course, is assuming you're actually eating properly, which most of you are not, right? These nutritional miscues often leave our poor, sensitive organs and glands starving, deprived, and exhausted like you. Ready to start feeling better? Start by eating more protein more frequently. Things like turkey, chicken, beef, pork, eggs, and if you're vegetarian, your green protein and plenty of it. That means at least 3 to 5 small protein meals per day. Believe it or not, your body is starving. Feed it and feed it well. Next, make sure to correct the commonly overlooked vitamin and mineral deficiencies that plague all people, and especially sensitive people. Start by getting yourself set up with a high-potency multiple vitamin that has good doses of the B complex and some iodine and some selenium in it. This will give your body, your mind, and spirit that extra punch it so desperately needs. You also need to pay extra attention to your exhausted adrenal glands, your overworked liver, and your iodine-deprived thyroid. We'll talk about those next time. Until then, be grateful for everything, including your health and your amazing gifts. Cheers.